This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need verified identity and active cards before chasing extra Apple Pay money. First, make sure your Apple ID has two-factor authentication and your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Next, open Wallet, add or confirm your debit and credit cards, and enable Apple Cash. This unlocks peer transfers and daily cash. Once done, follow the in-app identity checks, submit required details so limits lift. These setup steps allow you to receive, move, and convert funds quickly without hitting temporary caps. Now focus on earning and routing money into Apple Pay. Use an Apple Card for daily cash and make Apple Pay your default at merchants to maximize instant rewards. Then connect high cashback cards and schedule auto transfers of rewards into Apple Cash or your bank. This converts points into usable balance. Once set, leverage compatible apps and ACH links to top up Apple Cash or sweep funds to your account. These precise routing steps let you aggregate multiple reward streams into one app. Finish by optimizing and protecting the money flow. Track merchant offers and referral bonuses and stack compatible promos to increase inflows. Once you identify high-yield sources, set recurring transfers and low thresholds for sweeping funds into Apple Cash. Make sure limits and alerts are configured so holds are avoided. If a transfer or top-up fails, first confirm identity status and card verification, then contact Apple support. Often retrying after 24 hours or resolving verification fixes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.